So as I'm editing my video, I kind of wanted to step back and talk to you all about the Advent calendar. Now, I know that we're not doing the Advent calendar the way that you're supposed to do it. It's a bit more commercialized the way we're doing it, but I didn't really want to jump into, you know, the research on doing it the proper way, or, you know, the history behind the Advent, because I feel like it would become a rabbit hole for me, and I just didn't have the time and the energy for that, and I don't think I had really the mental capacity to kind of digest all of that in, and then do my own like calculations of how that might work and play out for our family. So I kind of fell back on the Advent calendar that we think of like commercially, but I didn't want to like do prizes and things like that. I wanted to do more activities or events that like we would, you know, partake in or do together. And honestly, some of the things were things that I wanted to do anyways with the kids, like knowing that, you know, December was here or that Christmas was coming. But I think I know myself better to know that sometimes those things don't happen, because it's so easy to push things aside and say, you know, mom's too busy today, or we've already done a lot. And so with the calendar, it's kind of setting things in stone and forcing myself to do the things that I've been wanting to do with them, and the things that I know that they would want and enjoy to do as well. So that's where the motivation and the drive comes from, and really it's a challenge. So I don't want people to watch the videos and think that I do all of these things on the daily, or that I'm so, you know, willing and patient. It's because I want to challenge myself, and I know that, you know, I can do these things, but it's so easy to have the excuses come into play. And so I didn't want to have those excuses be a part of our daily schedule, especially during the season and the Christmas holiday. Yeah, so I just kind of want to talk about that. To summarize, I guess the Advent for us, or for me, is to do things with my children and to push myself to push away the excuses and to just jump into it. And so the day 7 was to make Christmas cookies, and we did not start until like 4 or 5, and we did not finish until 9 or past 9. And I could have easily said no. I could have easily quit halfway, but because I knew that it was coming, and I knew that they knew, my kids knew that that was what we were supposed to do. You just got to keep trudging on. You just got to keep going. And you know, even though the day was hard, I had a lot of things that I was doing also, and some running around and, you know, sorting things out mentally. Looking back at the videos, you know, it feels good. I mean, looking back at the videos and just thinking myself, reflecting, like the memories of baking cookies with them trumps all the busyness, right? I don't recall why I was so tired or what I even did, but I remember fully that we made cookies, and I'm sure that my kids will remember that as well. So if you are, even if you're not doing the Advent calendar and you just need a little bit of motivation and push, I'm here to say that you can do it. Even if it's once a week or twice a week, or to do 1 or 2 things for the whole month of December, just do it. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump into the actual video. It's just our baking day today. Enjoy. I hope.
Alright, kiddos. Snowflake.
Are you guys gonna help?
We have.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This.
Okay.
This.
So we need a bowl.
This.
We got flour.
I guess we do have a
We got some
stand
sugar.
And we got
We got some
need
white
a
sugar.
stand mixer.
We got some light corn syrup or something.
We got some
Food coloring.
food coloring.
We got
Food
some.
coloring.
We got some
Food
eggs.
coloring. There's orange and
Or
blue
something. We
and
got- I think it's
and
wrapper.
green, I think.
We have,
These are
and of course, you can never do without it, butter.
and some eggs.
Oh yeah, eggs. And then we got some.
Oh, I'm just.
So what are we gonna do first? Here, let me open this syrup.
Nope, no. No other thing. Inside.
Yeah, but.
Yeah.
Okay, don't put your hands on it.
Nope, Ezekiel. Why don't you take care of the
For what?
1 cup of sugar? So you need to fill up this whole thing.
Oh, okay,
To the
okay.
very top. It's not enough.
Mommy, I can do it.
Don't spill anything. Alright, that's fine.
I know.
No, just 1.
That's 1 spoon.
Alright, and then
Next one. Oh,
That's so cool.
it's so buttery.
Yeah, it's starting to smell. It's good.
Yeah,
Right.
because Mommy added vanilla.
Ariel, you are going to get our whisk. Okay. Alright.
Give me a
No.
No, I can do it.
Shoot too much, Mom.
Gentle so it doesn't all spill out, please.
This is powder.
Mhm. And
It
then
just spilled
gradually add dry ingredients into wet until completely combined. Okay, so when Ezekiel gets done stirring, I'm gonna pour it in little by little into our mixer with the other stuff, and then that will make our dough.
Don't. Be careful, Mommy. You can get hit. It smells really good, though. Right, Mommy? Mommy
big
could have brought.
What?
We could make a drench.
Pour.
Oh.
Whoa! It's like a kebab.
Wow.
Or no, kebab. I mean, I'm was it like a fat staff or something?
Like
We
a
have
I know you are.
Mommy, dinner smells really good. That's your oven.
Did it record at all? Alright, so then now we gotta cover with clear wrap. Oh no, Ariel. We're gonna tell Google to put a timer on for 2 hours, yeah.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Set a timer for 2 hours.
Open. Yeah.
It's not spreading.
My snowman. What do I keep doing? Just need to add the eyes and the smile.
Oh my goodness.